Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski and today we will continue creating financial model from scratch of a hotel. Today we'll be speaking about sensitivity analysis, so if you find it valuable you may give us a like, also you may subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. You can also order a financial model of your business idea from scratch. We will also can help you. What is the legend of sensitivity analysis? First of all, we will take our financial efficiency and then financial model. This is the amount of financing we need, and here is the financial efficiency that we are going to test. And the algorithm that we will create is that we will create a macro that will test this financial efficiency when we adjust any parameter of inputs throughout the model. So we can take any parameter of inputs, then press a button, and the macro will test for us the financial efficiency, or if this or that parameter of inputs will increase or decrease. So for that purpose, the first thing we need is to we just save our file as hotel with macro enable workbook. Then we will create the separate sheet for sensitivity analysis. First thing we need is we will just move all our financial efficiency values to the next here it is. We'll just copy, paste here. So this is what we are going to test. This is the basic parameter value. The basic value is for the coefficient is 1. Then we set up the adjustment step. For example, this can be 10% adjustment of basic value. So here, for example, we have the basic value, then we create a formula if this minus this So here we just copy the formats, and now it is time for us to write a macro. So as you can see, we can adjust the step of adjustment, so we can see how these values change. So now it's time to write a macro. We will name it as sense, and we will start it with Ctrl Q, combination of buttons. Copy paste as numbers. Then we return this coefficient to its basic value, which is 1. Then we click here, stop. Then we can delete this data. Then we press Ctrl Q, and now we can see how the macro. But at the moment, the macro or the coefficient is not linked to any parameter of inputs. For example, we can add this parameter. For example, let's go to our model, take some inputs and adjust them. For example, we can add this coefficient, for example, so we've added the coefficient here. Also, we can add coefficient for this input, and for example for this input. Now we get back to our sensitivity test. Then we just setting up Control Q. So now you will see how we tested all our financial efficiency when we adjust, for example, the amount of rooms in our hotel. Now we can, for example, delete this coefficient from this input and add this coefficient to some another, for example, inputs. And also we can create a button for this macro. For example, we can go to developer button and then insert a button. We can just create a button, assign a macro for this, assign a button for this macro. We will just name this button as sense, what it is for sensitivity analysis. Now we can, for example, go to for example, to add this coefficient, let it be loan, for example. We can go to for example, we can take the investment, let it be the investment, and we will add this coefficient to the amount of investment. And now we will test financial efficiency of our hotel if we increase or decrease the amount of investment that we need to build our hotel. So we added the coefficient to one of the items inside our investment plan. Here it is, here this coefficient. And now we just go to sensitivity analysis, press sense button, and now it tests the financial efficiency if we increase or decrease the amount of investment in our business idea, in our hotel in this particular case. So now we've tested our financial efficiency. If the amount of investment is increasing or decreasing, we can also create different diagrams out of this data. For example, we can add a diagram like this. So now we have a data for that. So I hope that you find this video valuable. You may give us a like, subscribe our channel, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch for your business idea. We will help you with that. See you next videos. Thank you and bye.